Hi everyone, welcome back to doing some word ladders. I'm using word ladders with permission from Scholastic, and word ladders are a great way to help you build your decoding skills, your phonics skills, your spelling, and your vocabulary skills, and they're fun. So on your piece of paper, I want you to write the word wet. Go ahead and pause while you write the word wet. Okay, now you're going to take the letters in wet, and my clue I'm going to give you and write your new word right below it. You're going to take one letter away from the word wet and write the word that means all of us. Pause while you do that. I took a letter away from wet and wrote a word that means all of us, and that word is we. Okay, next clue. You're going to add two letters to we, and this word means healthy. You're not sick, you are blank. Add two letters to we. Pause and figure out your word. I think that one was a tricky one. Adding two letters to we, and it means you are healthy. You're not sick, you are well. Okay, next one. You're going to change one letter in well, and your new word means something that makes a ringing sound. Pause and write your word. Okay, if you changed one letter in well, and something that makes a ringing sound is a bell. Okay, next one. You're going to change one letter in bell, and this is something you use to hold your pants up. Pause, write your word. Something you use to hold your pants up is a belt. Next clue. You're going to take away one letter from belt. So your new word is going to have three letters. It's a wager or guess that something's going to happen. I blank, you're going to figure out what this word is. Okay, go ahead and pause and write your word. Okay, you take away one letter from belt, and it is a wager or guess that something will happen is a bet. I bet you're going to be able to figure out what this word was. Okay, next one. You're going to change one letter in bet. Your new word's going to have three letters. Your clue is a stick used for hitting balls. You use this stick in baseball. And it could also, another clue is a flying mammal. Okay, changing one letter in bet. Pause and write your new word. A stick used for hitting balls is called a bat. Okay, next clue. You're changing one letter in bat. This one is super easy. And it means the opposite of good. Change one letter in bat, the opposite of good. Go ahead and pause and figure out your word. Okay, opposite of good is bad. Okay, your next one. You're going to add one letter to bad. So your new word's going to have four letters. Your clue is short for Bradley. So here's the word Bradley, and you're writing a word that has four letters that's short for Bradley. Okay, pause and write your word. That was a tough one. Adding one letter to bad for a word that means short for Bradley, you would have come up with Brad. Okay, this next one is going to be super hard. You're going to change one letter. Your new word's going to have four letters. You're changing one letter, and it's part of the wheat plant. But also, some of you might eat this kind of cereal, raisin blank. Okay, this one's hard. Put your thinking caps on, push pause, and figure your word out. That one was a super hard one. Part of the wheat plant is called bran. If you eat raisin bran, you might have gotten this one. Next one's easier. You're going to take away one letter from bran. Your new word's going to have three letters. You walked very, very fast. Take away one letter. Pause, write your word. Okay, took away one letter from bran, and it means walked very, very fast. That means you probably ran. Okay, next one. You're adding one letter to ran, so your new word's going to have 4 letters. It falls from the sky and makes you wet. Add one letter to ran. Pause. Write your word. You added one letter to ran, and it means it falls from the sky and makes you wet, and that word is rain. So I hope you had fun doing word ladders, but you were really building your decoding skills, practicing phonics and spelling, and learning more vocabulary. Hopefully you'll come back and do more word ladders with me. Bye.